Alright guys, so I was just talking with my dad about how Diwali comes on November 7th, just a few days from now, and this whole week is important with celebrations. If you want to add an e-commerce shopping cart to your website and take advantage of all the buying people are doing online, then watch this video. Also click in the description below and find the link to where we make this entire website, but all you really need is just a basic wordpress.org installation, which we cover. You don't need to make all the fancy content to get the job done. So to set up your e-commerce shopping cart, click on your dashboard, and now click on plugins, and now click add new. Alright, and we're going to search for WooCommerce. Kind of a funny name. I always thought of a cow with the woo part. But it's the best one, 1 million plus installations, and we're going to install it and make it 1,000,001. Next, you just need to activate once it's done installing. And it's going to take us through the setup wizard. Okay, so it says, where is your store based? You just need to choose wherever you are. So in our case, it's India. Now pop in your address here. And this will help WordPress decide like what payment methods you can use and what shipping methods are applicable to you. But you can change this later on. So in my case, I actually don't have an Indian address yet. I know I really want to move there, but I gotta go with the US one and just do this one for real. So I want you to check this box. I will also be selling products or services in person, and then click let's go. Next, just choose all the different payment methods you want to accept. So they can accept both online and offline payments, like online and then also cash works. So we're just gonna accept everything and then click offline payments. And we're going to click check, bank transfer, and cash on delivery. A lot of people like the cash on delivery. Who doesn't like cash? Cash is king. Click continue. Okay guys, so on the next screen, we're going to see some shipping details. Alright, we're just going to keep flat rate, or you can click free shipping if you ship for free, but you know, flat rate is the standard I think. And then you can enter in the cost of your shipping if you want to charge. So we need to set a flat rate for each item, so I'm just going to say 5. And then locations not covered, you can enter something that would be like more shipping if you want to do more shipping for anything outside of that area. Keep the print shipping labels at home checked. It's a little bit advanced, but you want that option in the future if you want to do it. And then we can choose whether we want to do like pounds or inches, so on and so forth. Depends on whether you're on the metric system or not, and continue. Okay, so we'll keep the recommended features on, automate taxes and MailChimp, and continue. And basically I just want to show you how to add a product. So this part is pretty much just trivial. Alright, so we're going to skip Jetpack because that's not what we want right now. Alright, you're ready to start selling? Very good. Enter in your email here if you want to get WooCommerce product updates. So that's cool. They have some cool free features. Now we're just going to click create a product. Okay, so this is where the fun comes in. Your product could be anything, of course, guys. Alright, great, and go ahead and close all those notifications at the top. Square and Stripe can be really needy. All you need is PayPal right now and your email entered. That will help you collect payment via debit card, credit card, cash on delivery, all of that just through PayPal. But if you want to use the other payment processors, by all means. So the first thing our product needs is just a name, and we're going to sell a bicycle today. And this bicycle is in the countryside, because everyone likes getting away, don't they? So we're gonna have an upper description here, which is just this bicycle rides so great. And then we're gonna scroll down, and the next thing every product needs is a price. So we're gonna enter our WooCommerce settings here, and we're gonna see a regular price. Just go ahead and set what you think is the fair price for a bicycle. Don't enter the $sign because we're already doing that in dollars or rupees or whatever you chose. If you do the sale price, then this product will automatically be on sale. It'll show a little sale icon and it'll be discounted. And then tax status, you can change to none and tax class to 0. These tax status options are really not the most important thing right now. What is important is that you understand the difference between simple product, grouped, external, and variable product. And the only two options I want you to focus on right now are simple product and variable product. Simple is just one price, variable is a different price if someone chooses a different color, size, etc. So let's master a simple product, then add a variable product in a minute. Moving on, we also have our lower description. So this bike rides like a charm, and you'll see where that goes in a moment. Now we just need to scroll up and choose the product image. Click set product image. We can choose our bicycle in the countryside that we got from our website images from the main video in this tutorial, how to make a WordPress website in India. And then if you want, you can add product gallery images so the user can scroll through a bunch of images. Alright guys, we have a simple product made. Let's give it a category like outdoor equipment and click publish. Alright, and just by doing that, you can see when we view the product that you'll have all the basic things to sell something online. So let's click view product, and we can see the product is now going to be live. Alright, so your site has it here live. On the product page, we have a sidebar with the Facebook like box and the ad that we set up in the main video. And then someone can go ahead and choose how many bikes they want. Click add to cart. And the site will refresh and say 3 bicycles from the countryside have been added to your cart. Someone can then click view cart. And all these pages have been automatically set up for you through WooCommerce. It's not magic, even though it looks like it. Really guys, your site has been transformed from a basic WordPress website with the blog into a fully functional e-commerce online shop. So someone could go ahead and apply a coupon code. You can make those for free, but we didn't apply any coupons. We don't have any. Alright, so before we click proceed to checkout, I want you to focus on the URL here. We can see in our navigation that we're on the cart page, which was created by WooCommerce. And if we click proceed to checkout, we go to the checkout page, and you have that as well. So now all your customer needs to do is enter in their billing details, company, country, street address, town, city, state, zip, phone, email address, might look different in India. Then choose their method of payment. PayPal is the best option because then they click continue to payment. And what happens is they get rerouted to the PayPal screen. From that point on, the online merchant can process their credit card, debit card, or cash, whatever they want to do. And I believe the PayPal option is just the best for the online payments. If someone chooses cash on delivery, then you have to just assume that they'll pay you. You'll get the order, and of course you don't have to hand it over to them at your door until they fork over the cash. So, old-fashioned still works a lot of the time these days. Alright, so we have our shop working, but if we click back to the home page, we're not going to be able to find the shop. So what you want to do is add your shop to the menu. If you hover on your dashboard icon and you click on menus, then you can go ahead and just choose the shop, the cart, and maybe the my account and the checkout and add to menu. Now usually you don't see all these options in an Amazon layout. Usually it's just like my account, and then you have checkout and cart beneath it. So we'll indent those two for a drop down. And we can also bring the shop page up so that the my account is the last thing in the menu, and save the menu. Alright, now when someone visits your site, they'll see the e-commerce options right there in the navigation menu, and someone can go ahead and enjoy your online shopping experience that you're providing them. If they click shop, they'll just see all the products you've added. And we only have one product, so why don't we go ahead and add that variable product right now. So hover on your skinny nav, and now you have the option for new product. Okay, so we need a product name, and it has to be something that can be different sizes and colors. So t-shirt is good. We can call this like t-shirt madness, crazy t-shirt. And then we need the upper description. So this t-shirt rules, guys. And then we just need a t-shirt image. So t-shirt images. Let's just get one from like Wikipedia so we know that we can use it most of the time. Alright, I'm just going to get this cool Wikipedia shirt, save image as, Wiki, add new product. Alright, so now that we have an image, let's scroll down and let's change it from simple product to variable product. Alright, and now we're just going to add the featured image. We're going to do the price in just a moment. For now, we're going to upload files, select files. We're going to choose our Wiki, grab it. Set product image, and by the way, I want to be clear, we are not selling Wikipedia t-shirts. You should contact them for that. They look super cool, but we are not affiliated with them or selling them. And we're going to scroll up and just give a new category. So tees, and then add new category. and publish. So unless your product has a price, it's going to show up as unavailable. But we actually need to give ourselves some attributes before we can set up the price, and I'll show you why. So under products, I want you to click attributes, and now just give it a name like size or color. And the slug can be the same thing. And then we're going to keep it on custom ordering and click add attribute. Alright, so now we have an option to set different sizes. Just go back to your products list and click on T-shirt Madness. It says out of stock, but it won't be once we give it a price. And then scroll down and click on attributes. Alright, so now I want you to choose from the drop down and click size and click add. Okay, great. So now we're working with one attribute and you have to choose different values. So instead of writing the values in right here, I want you to just click add new. And then just write something like small, for example, and click OK. And it should fill in the values. Click add new and write in medium. Okay. Click add new again. And you're gonna write in, maybe you can write large, like a combination between medium and large. Just for those margy people, add new, large, okay. If you want to be super clever, you can add new and do larger. Okay, and then you can do add new and just do like XL for the big guys like me. Alright, now we're going to check use for variations. You have to do that one and save attributes. Perfect. Alright, once you do that, click on variations. And now what we want to do is go to under add variation, create variations from all attributes and click go. And this will just set up like all the combinations. It says, are you sure you want to link all variations? This will create a new variation for each and every possible combo. Click OK, that's perfect. We just want the options to be there for us. And click OK. So there's only 6 options because there's only 6 sizes. If you had 6 sizes and 4 colors, for example, there'd be a lot more variations. Now you just need to open each one, like large, and set the price. And put that in variation regular price right here. So we can enter in $15 there and click on the white box up here where my mouse is to close it. And then you can also open up the larger one, and maybe you want that to be $20 because it's a little more material. Maybe large is like a little bit less because it's less material, and then medium is, you can really change options to your heart's content. Small is maybe on, a discount for $5. And then XL, you could make that like really big to discourage people from eating too much. Just kidding, eating is great. Now we're gonna click on this little hamburger I clicked on. See that hamburger on the right? All right, just to drag large, extra large up top and then larger above it. All right, once the sizes are in logical order, just click Save Changes. Okay guys, now you need to update your product and you should have a variable product and you should be good to go. Alright, so go ahead and click on View Product, and now people should be able to choose from a drop-down list the product variations they want, like size. Alright, so maybe they want the large one, $10, maybe they want the medium one, $8. They can still add to cart and still shop to their heart's content on your own e-commerce online store. So I hope that was enjoyable, guys. You now have an e-commerce shop and you have a cart. You also have a My Account screen and a checkout screen, and you can process payments and collect payments through your WordPress website. Effectively, you are now an online store. Go ahead and use this website now in Diwali. Go ahead and upload your store products, your goods, your grocery items, your electronics, your software, your books, your t-shirts, whatever you want to sell. Go after it, guys. The sky's the limit. And if it seems scary, don't worry, I'm here to help. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm Greg Narayan. I'll see you soon.